So while you keep on working with HappyScribe, over time you may have multiple projects and you simply may want to delete them out. So if you want to go ahead and delete out any project, you can simply go around over here and let's say, for example, go from the home page, click on the three dot button and then move the project to trash from over here. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it simply gets deleted right there. Similarly, you can go to the library section right here, and here you can see that there's multiple projects right here. You can go ahead and select them right here, and then you can go ahead on to the three dot button and move them to trash from over here as well. You can even go ahead and let's say, for example, click on the three dot button right here and move it to trash as well. So as I were to actually go ahead and open up the project, this is what you have. You can even go around over here onto the three dot button of this particular project and then move it to trash right here as well. But when you actually go ahead and move the projects to trash, they are not permanently deleted. They are actually in the trash section. So if you were to go to the library section right here, and then if you were to go to trash, you can see that you still have all of these projects right here. So you can actually go around over here and then restore it out. You can even go ahead and select out multiple projects right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and click on restore to get those projects back out from the trash onto the main project area. But if you're sure that you absolutely want to go ahead and delete out the project, then you can go around over here, click on the three dot button and delete this permanently right here. Or you can click on empty trash to clear out everything in the trash, or you can click on restore all to restore everything out as well. So let me just go ahead and delete out everything in trash right here, empty out the trash, and it says the operation has been performed successfully, and then you can see everything in the trash has been deleted. But if I were to go around over here, you can see that in the private and the team section, I do have the multiple projects right here, just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and then delete out the projects and even recover them from trash inside of HappyScribe. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe